In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open OneNote, an app on OneDrive. We'll start on your phone. First, open your default file manager app. This is where your locally saved files live, including downloads and documents. If you're not sure where your note is, check common folders like downloads or documents, or use the search bar and look for a OneNote file. These usually have extensions like .1 or .1pkg. Once you've located the OneNote file you want to use, press and hold on it to select it. A selection menu will appear. From that menu, choose Share. Sharing lets you send the file to a cloud service so you can open it in the OneNote app through OneDrive. When the Share options pop up, select OneDrive. If you're given a choice of folders, pick a place you'll remember, such as Documents or a dedicated Notes folder. If you see an upload status, wait for it to complete before moving on. A quick tip here. Using Wi-Fi helps larger notebooks upload faster, and keeping the screen awake can prevent the upload from pausing. Next, leave the file manager and open the OneDrive app on your phone. If you use multiple accounts, make sure you're on the same account you uploaded to so everything stays in sync. Navigate to the folder you selected during the share step. If the file doesn't appear right away, pull down to refresh or wait a moment for OneDrive to finish syncing. Now look for the uploaded OneNote file. You should recognize it by the name you saw earlier in the file manager. When you see it, simply tap the file to open it. If you have the OneNote app installed, OneDrive will hand off the file to the app so you get the full editing experience, including pages, sections, and handwriting tools. On some devices, you may briefly see a preview or a prompt inviting you to continue in the app. Just follow the on-screen guidance and let it launch in OneNote. Give it a moment on first open, especially if it's a larger notebook. After it loads, you can edit, add pages, and your changes will sync back to OneDrive automatically. If something doesn't load, confirm the upload fully finished, check your connection, and refresh the OneDrive view. That's it. You located your OneNote file locally, shared it to OneDrive, found it in the OneDrive app, and opened it directly in OneNote for a smooth cloud-synced workflow.